This guide will help you disable automatic restrictions on Wise in 2026. Follow these steps to manage your account settings effectively. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Access the Wise website or app and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings section. This is usually found in the menu or profile area of your account. Step 3. Find security and restrictions. Within the account settings, look for a tab or option labeled security or restrictions. Click on this to view your current restriction settings. Step 4. Adjust automatic restrictions. In the security and restrictions section, you will see options related to automatic restrictions. Select the option to disable or adjust these settings according to your preferences. Step 5. Save changes. After making your adjustments, ensure you save the changes. Look for a Save or Confirm button and click it to apply your new settings. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and disable automatic restrictions on your Wise account. Always remember to review your settings periodically to ensure they align with your needs.